Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily save your Notepad file as a PDF. Friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial to save your Notepad as a PDF. So keep watching, and friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. Friend, first thing first, we are going to open Notepad. So simply click on this start button and then type Notepad. Friend, here you can see that this is my Notepad file, and here we want to convert this file as a PDF. Okay, simply click on this file tab which is available on the top, then click on the save as button. Friend, when you click here, then you will get this option. Now here you can click here all the things, but here if you want to save as a PDF, then this process will wrong. Your PDF will save, but you're not able to open the PDF. I show you so you will get the idea about it. You simply rename this file as a PDF and then you will save it. Here you will see that file is saved as a PDF, and when I click here, then my file is not showing proper. Okay, that file is not working. Now I'm going to show you a very advanced method to save that Notepad file as a PDF. We are going to delete this file first, and again we are going to on our Notepad file. Here we want to save this file as a PDF. Then what we will do, click here the file, and then here we are going to click print. Okay, we want to print this file as a PDF. Here you will see that Microsoft print to PDF option. When your printer will link, then you will get the print option, but if your printer will not link, then this option will be showing in your PC. Okay, this is my Windows 11 PC, that's why this is showing to us. Right now we are going to click on this print button, and here friend, this will ask you where you want to save this file. Here we are going to add a simple PDF file from Notepad. Okay, so simply we are going to rename these things and then click on this save button. Friend, now I'm going to show you how that PDF is look like. We are going to close this Notepad file, and here you will see that this file is saved into this directory. Okay, we are going to click on this PDF file. Friend, you can see that my PDF file is showing over here. Friend, you can see that all things are looking good and saved as a PDF in Notepad. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can save your Notepad file as a PDF. And friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to save your Notepad file as a PDF. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video of Notepad. Keep watching.